boys and girls. Hello, everyone. Good morning, it's Miss Leah. And I thought for our cooking week, we could explore with fruit and vegetables. Now, I just got out some stuff that I had in my refrigerator, and I chose and had on me some grapes, a carrot, some celery, and a little mini halo clementine that I already peeled and took the skin off of, and I just put it in half. You can use, if you don't have fresh produce or you just don't want your infant handling real food, you can use baby food. And obviously it's not something they can really pick up because it's mushy, but they would still be getting to explore different fruit and vegetables. And then that way, if they've had it before and you're okay with them digesting it, if it gets in their mouth, which it probably will, something as messy as playing with baby food, that would be okay. Also, if you don't want to make a mess or don't want to get out real stuff, just get pretend kitchen food and just explore with them and play along with us and talk to them about what fruits you picked out, or have them try to pick them up off the ground and dump them into a basket and make a fruit basket. So with mine, I thought I would just cut a couple of them up, and I'm going to use scissors because that's safer, especially because I'm not in front of you and I need to be safe with my scissors, and I don't want to put anything down and cut with a knife. So you can do whatever you want with whatever materials you have out for your baby, but all my stuff is washed, and I'm just going to kind of cut it up. Maybe make a little pattern shape or a design on my towel. Since I'm so sorry, my phone fell. Since I'm a grown-up, I'm going to taste my orange and eat it. Very yummy. So, Miss Leah loves to take real-world food and let the babies explore, as long as we're very sure that it's not going in their mouth, or if it isn't, it's safe. That's not going down their throat. It's probably best to leave things bigger versus smaller. If they're teething, this might feel really good on their gums right now. It's cold. You could even put it in the freezer. I've had a lot of success with whole carrots like this. Not baby carrots, though, because those are the exact size of their throat, and those will slip down. This, you can help hold on to. So I'm going to keep my pieces big that they can play with or taste. And I just noticed that the only colors I have are orange and green. What colors do you have of your fruits and vegetables at home? Do you have red? Do you have any strawberries? Or blue, like blueberries? That's what we read about in the book about a garden and what Elmo and Zoe did. So I hope you enjoyed playing with me today and just thinking of a way to incorporate real world food or even pretend food and talking about it to your baby. In this activity, they hit core areas such as initiative and exploring materials. They're not really necessarily art materials, but they are exploring different materials, and they're locating objects. Heartfelt would love to see pictures of your baby playing with any fruit or vegetables or whatever else you would like to cook with your baby. Send them to us through our emails or on Facebook or however you deem easiest. Thank you so much. Bye.